Good morning, dear children. In the previous video, we have discussed about the propagation of sound, that sound require a medium for the movement for the propagation, and the speed of the sound is also different in different medium. In the case of water, the speed of the sound is 1500 meter per second. In the dry air, it is 332 meter per second to 343 meter per second, and in the humid air it is 400 meter per second, and in the metal it is 4800 meter per second. This is the speed of sound in different medium. Now, how it varies? It varies with the compactness of molecule. Compactness of molecule. You can see in the case of solid, the speed of the sound is maximum. That is, in the case of metal, it is 4800 meter per second. And in the case of air, it is least. Because in the case of solid, the molecules are compactly arranged. There are very less intermolecular spaces. There are strong force of attraction. That's why the speed of the sound is maximum in the case of solids and it is least in the case of air. Now, we cannot transmit sound from moon or also from the earth. The sound waves cannot reach to the moon. Why? What is the reason behind this? That it is difficult or we cannot hear the sound from the moon. In the moon, what happens? There is no air. There is no medium. There is vacuum. So we cannot transmit any sound from moon to earth or vice versa. The astronaut which go over there, they also used some device to listen, to hear each other. This shows that sound needs a medium for propagation or for movement. Now we come to the next topic. This you have done in 7th class also. This is a simple pendulum. A bob is there, metallic bob, and here it is, a thread is there. And when this bob is this bob is at the rest position, it is in center position. This position is called the 0 point. This is called the central position. This is also called mean position. This O point, this is called rest position. Now, when this bob move from either side, right or left, from its mean position, this type of motion is called the vibration. To and fro motion of a moving object or an object from its mean position or from its 0 point or central position is called vibration or oscillation or oscillatory motion. You can say anything. There is a very less difference, a little bit difference between the vibration and oscillation. What is the difference? When the speed of the vibrations are slow, then it is called the oscillation. Slower vibrations are called oscillation, my dear children. Now, we come to the next topic, that is amplitude. You have done in this topic. You have done this topic in 7th class also. What is amplitude? When this bob move from O point to A point, then it comes to the O. And from O to it goes to the B position. So the distance traveled by this bob from its mean position to either side, it's called its amplitude. So what is amplitude? The maximum distance traveled by a vibrating object or vibrating body from its position of rest is called the amplitude. So what is the amplitude? It may be OA, you can write, or maybe OB, which is maximum, the maximum distance. Now, what is time period? Time taken by a pendulum, this is a pendulum, time taken by a pendulum to complete one oscillation is called the time period. What is one oscillation? To and fro motion, started from its central position and again come to this central or mean position. If a pendulum start from this rest position, it goes to O, again come back to, it goes to A, again come back to O, then it goes to B, then come to O. This vibration is called one oscillation. This is called one oscillation. So time period, time taken by a pendulum to complete one oscillation is called time period. Frequency, the number of vibration made by a vibrating body in 1 second. The number of vibration made by a vibrating body in 1 second is called the frequency. And what is the unit? The unit is hertz, Hz. So beta ji, you have to complete the chapter up to the frequency. You have to read the chapter from the book and you have to do test your learning outcomes. Thank you beta. Have a good day.